Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. First things first, you want to check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and reliable. If you are using Roblox through a web browser, clearing your browser's cache might help. Make sure also that you have the latest version of Roblox installed on your device. Also, some browser extensions can interfere with Roblox. Temporarily disable them and try launching Roblox again. Virtual private networks, VPNs, or proxy servers might cause conflicts too. So, make sure to turn them off and attempt to play without them for a while. Next, you want to ensure that your firewall and antivirus settings allow Roblox to function correctly. But if none of these previous steps work, you want to try uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox to fix any corrupted files. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.